Hello and welcome back to your Rail Fan 4070. Stephen Thomas created the channel here to give you an update on the new layout. So I realize it's been quite a long time since we got the layout here, but it is finally set up on some industrial style shelving in my room. You don't see the old layout in there at all, but it is. We turned that on its side, then put the shelving behind and stack this layout on the shelving, but it is much higher for two reasons. A, so I can get under this layout to fix derailments and work on the old layout. And two, so I can have storage shelves underneath. You can see there's one at the very bottom of the far side, and there are two on the side closer to me that I will show you here in a second. One also at ground level, and another is the same height as the old layout. So now here is a long shot of the new layout. You can see where it has this track that curves back and the yards, and then another side track there. Also making a makeshift bridge over where the transformers will be installed, with this long straight of track here just for extra car storage. And then if you see here in the corner these boxes, that is where the old layout is. So those are sitting on the old layout. The reason I won't show that in this video is because I had to take down a lot of stuff on it to move it around. So I have to set up that layout, and right now it just looks like a board, so there wasn't really a point in showing it. Finally, for this update, we actually do move down to the old layout, but we don't show you the whole thing. What I'm doing here, the middle shelf of the one support holding the new layout up is going to be a maintenance shop for my cars. So I've created this siding here where you see the Erie high hood. This will be part of the main line. But over here where it goes to flat track, there's a very minor grade, almost like entering a yard, that crosses over to the support and allows spare cars to be put in there for maintenance. That's where my new repair shop's going to be, and I can finally have it attached to the layout, unlike before. Next to that, you'll see just some loose straights of track. Those are going to be for displaying other cars as well, until I figure out a way to connect those tracks to that layout. So guys, thanks for watching. There's the new update, and I'll see you again soon. Rail Fan 4070 out.